Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see the problems in exercise 4.2. See, in the given figure, three lines A, B, C, D and E, F intersecting at O. Find the values of X, Y and Z. It is being given that X is to Y is to Z is equal to 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, now we will see solution. So given A, B, C, D, E, F intersect at a point O. Okay. And angle AOC, this is Z, and angle BOF, X degrees, angle EOD, Y degrees, and X is to Y is to Z is 2 is to 3 is to 4. Okay. Sorry, 5. This is the given information. Now, we have to find out the values of X, Y, Z. Okay. See now, here ratio is given, no? So that means X is 2 parts, Y is 3 parts, Z is 5 parts, we can say. Okay. So, I am taking as, let X is equal to 2A, Y equals to 3A and Z equals to 5A. Okay. Now just observe the picture. This angle BOF and angle AOE are vertically opposite angles, right? So they both are equal. So what I can write? Angle AOE and angle BOF both are equals to X. And what is that? X is equal to 2A. Okay. Now similarly, see, angle DOE and angle COF are also equal, vertically opposite angle. Angle COF is equal to angle DOE is equal to Y. What is Y? 3A. Okay. And similarly, angle AOC equals to angle DOB. So, angle DOB is equal to angle AOC equals to Z, that is 5A. So, what is the reason for all these? These three are vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles are equal. So, that's why they are equal. This is the reason. Okay. Now, the sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. So, the sum of angles formed at a point is 360, right? So, all the angles forming at this point O, angle AOC, AOE, DOE, I wrote all the 6 angles. So, what is angle AOC? Z, right? Plus angle AOE, X, angle DOE, Y. See here, angle DOB, again Z, angle BOF, X, angle COF, Y equals to 360 degrees. So, X plus X, 2X, and Y plus Y, 2Y. This Z plus Z also 2Z is equal to 360 degrees. So 2 is common, na? X plus Y plus Z is equal to 360 degrees. So if we transpose these two, it comes under division. So it is 180. So what is X? We can take as 2A. So 2A plus Y 3A plus Z 5A is equal to 180 degrees. So by adding, it is 10A is equal to 180 degrees. Then A equals to 180 by 10. 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So what is the value of A here? 18 degrees. right? So A equals to 18 degrees. Now what is X? X is equal to 2A. So 2 into 18, 36 degrees. Next Y equals to 3A. 3 into 18, 54 degrees. Z equals to 5A. 5 into 18, that is 90 degrees. Okay. So they ask you to find out the values of x, y, z. So we calculated. X equals to 36, y equals to 54 and z equals to 90 degrees. This is the solution here. Okay. Second problem. Find the value of x in each of the following figures. So here 4 figures are given. We want to calculate the x value in each case. So this is the first one. So these two are adjacent angles and they are forming a straight line. So that means their sum is 180. So these two angles are linear pair. Okay. So we can write as 3x plus 8 degrees plus 93 degrees equals to 180. Why it is 180? Because they are linear pair. Okay. So now 3x 93 plus 8 after adding will get 111 degrees. Okay. So after transposing 111 to this RHS, it will be minus. Okay. So after subtracting 180 minus 111, we'll get 69 degrees. Right. So x is equal to 69 by 3. 3 2's and 3 3's. So what is the value of x here? Value of x is 23 degrees. Okay. Second one, see the diagram first here. Here at O, 3 angles are forming. This is x minus 24 and 29, 296. Okay. So sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. So angle AOB, BOC and COA is 360 degrees. What is angle AOB? It is x minus 24 degrees plus angle BOC 29 degrees plus angle COA 296 degrees is equal to 360. So after adding these, after adding these two, we will get 325 degrees is equal to 360. So after subtracting this 24, we will get 301 degrees. Okay. So next after transposing, it will be minus. So what is 360 minus 301? It is 59 degrees. So the value of x is equal to 59 degrees. So in the third picture, you see these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So they are equal. So we can write as 2 plus 3x is equal to 62 degrees. Then 3x is equal to 62 degrees minus 2 degrees. So 3x is equal to 60. X is equal to 60 degrees by 3. So it is 20. So what is the value of x here? 20 degrees. So here we have to write the reason. These two are vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay. So this is the reason here. So from fourth figure, angle AOB, this angle AOB and POC equals to 90. Why? This is 90 degrees, right? And these two angles form straight line. So if it is 90, this is also should be 90. Then only 180 will comes. So 90 degrees are complementary angles, these two. So 40 degrees AOB and BOC 6x plus 2. So 6x plus 42 equals to 90 degrees. So if we transpose plus 42 to this side, it will be minus. So 90 minus 42, how much? 90 minus 42 will be 48. So x is equal to 48 degrees by 6. 6 ones and 6 eighths. So what is x? X is equal to 8 degrees. Okay. Third one, in the given figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O. These AB and CD. And angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degrees and angle BOD equals to 40. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Okay. So first, given angle BOD equals to 40 degrees. From the figure, D equals to 40, we can say. Why? Because these two angles are vertically opposite angles. So D equals to 40. What is the reason? Vertically opposite angles. Okay. Next what is given in the problem? Angle AOC plus angle BOE equals to 70 degrees, right? So what is D? Angle AOC, right? So here only we'll write angle AOC equals to 40 degrees. So in the place of angle AOC we will substitute 40 plus angle BOE equals to 70 degrees. Now angle BOE equals to 70 minus 40. It is 30 degrees. So what is angle BOE? 30 degrees. So we want to find out angle BOE and reflex of angle COE. So we have to calculate angle COE also. So now come to the figure here. In the diagram, these three angles form a straight line. See, angle AOC and angle COE and angle BOE. This forms a straight line. So here these three angles forms a straight line. AOC and COE and BOE. Right? So we can write as linear angles. Okay? If two angles are there, we can write as a linear pair. Here three angles are there, no? So we wrote linear angles. You can write linear thrice also. Okay? So what is angle AOC? Angle AOC is 40 degrees and angle COE. Angle COE we want to find out now. And angle BOE 30 degrees is equal to 180. So after adding this 30 plus 40, we will get 70 degrees. Angle COE is equal to 180 degrees minus 70. So what is this? It is 110 degrees. But in the problem they are asking reflex angle COE. Okay. So reflex angle of COE. Angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110. So what is 360 minus 110? It is 250. Okay. So this is the third problem. Angle BOE and reflex angle of COE is 250 degrees. Fourth problem. In the given figure, XY and MN, this XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is 90 degrees, this angle POY, A is to B is 2 is to 3, find C. Okay. So here A is to B is 2 is to 3 and angle POY is 90 degrees given. See, from the figure, this is 90 and these two angles and this 90 degrees forming a straight line. So A plus B is also 90 degrees, right? So I can write as A plus B equals to 90 degrees because sum of two angles is 90. We can call them as complementary. Okay. Complementary angles. So A plus B equals to 90. Here A is to B is 2 is to 3. So let A equals to 2x and B equals to 3x. Then 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degrees. 2 plus 3 how much? 5x is equal to 90 degrees. Then x is equal to 90 degrees by 5. Okay. So after cancellation, 18 5s are 19. So it is 18. What is x? X is equal to 18 degrees. Okay. So now A equals to 2x means 2 into 18, that is 36, and B equals to 3x. So 3 into 18 is 54 degrees. So from the figure we can observe that, see, angle XOM and this YON are vertically opposite. Okay. So we can write that only. Angle XOM is equal to angle YON equals to B. What is the value of B? That is 54. Why these both are equal? Vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay? Vertically opposite angles are equal. This is the reason. And now you see again from figure, this XON, this C and YON, both the angles forming this straight line, right? So we can say them as linear pair. So from figure, angle XON plus angle YON is equal to 180. Why? Because they are linear pair. Okay. So we have angle XON as C and angle YON as 54 degrees is equal to 180. C equals to 180 degrees minus 54. So if we subtract 180 minus 54, it is 126 degrees. Okay. So A equals to 36 degrees and B equals to 54 degrees and C equals to 126 degrees. Okay. We can do in other process also without doing this. Okay. Without doing this, after completing B value, we can write as from figure B plus C equals to 180 degrees. Linear pair, na? Okay, I think this is easy to use, students. So B and C forming this straight line, so it is linear pair. What is B value? 54 degrees plus C equals to 180. C equals to 180 minus 54 degrees. So C equals to 126 degrees. Okay, so it's better to do this. From figure B plus C is 180. Okay, so you can do either this or this. Okay, whatever it is, both are correct. It is very easy, na? So you just do this. After calculating B, this is the problem. Okay. Fifth problem. In the given figure, angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. This PQS and this angles, we have to prove these two angles are equal. Okay. So, given angle PQR equals to angle PRQ. So now we know angle PQR and angle PQS equals to 180 because they are forming straight line, right? So angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degrees. We can say them as linear pair. Similarly, angle PRQ and angle PRT also forming straight line. So, angle PRQ plus angle PRT equals to 180 degrees. Same linear pair. So, by observing these two, both RHS values are equal. So, we can equal the LHS values also. So, from 1 and 2, angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now, we have angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So, I am writing angle PQR in the place of angle PRQ, or we can write angle PRQ in the place of angle PQR, whatever it is. So I am writing angle PRQ in the place of PQR plus angle PQS is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. So both sides have same term. So if we subtract, we will get 0, no? So we can cancel them. So what are the remaining values? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. PQS, PRT. So this is what we have to prove. Okay. So hence proved. Sixth problem. In the given figure, if x plus y equals to w plus z, then prove that this AOB is a line. Okay. So given x plus y equals to w plus z. See here all the four angles are forming at a point O. Right. So sum of angles at a point is 360 degrees. Right. So 360 degrees. So x plus y plus w plus z equals to 360 degrees. But we have x plus y equals to w plus z na. So in the place of w plus z we can write x plus y. So x plus y, and in the place of w plus z we can write x plus y again. Okay. So from 1 this is. So x plus x 2x and y plus y 2y equals to 360 degrees. Then x plus y is equal to 2 if we take common 360 degrees. Then x plus y equals to 360 degrees by 2. So what is half in 360? It is 180. So finally x plus y equals to 180 degrees. Now we want to prove this AOB as a line. See, what are the angles in AOB? Y and X. Angle AOC and angle BOC. So angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles in the figure. You see, AOC and BOC are adjacent angles and common vertex O is there. Okay. And sum is also equals to 180. So x plus y we can call them as linear pair. Okay. So that implies x plus y equals to 180 degrees. It is linear pair. So linear pair means the angles which forms a straight line only, na? So therefore AOB is a line. Okay, AOB is a line. Seventh problem. In the given figure, PQ is a line, this PQ, and ray QR is perpendicular to PQ. That means it is 90. OS is another line between rays OP and OR. This OP and OR, in between these two, OS is lying. Prove that angle ROS is equal to 1 by 2 of angle QOS minus angle POS. So this angle ROS, this angle should be half of this QOS and POS. Okay, QOS and this is QOS and POS. Okay, so half of angle QOS minus angle POS. We have to prove that. So here observe the figure carefully. So this is 90 means the sum of these two angles also 90. Right? So that's what we'll write. From figure, angle POS plus angle ROS is equal to angle is equal to 90 degrees. That is angle QOR also 90 na? So angle QOR. Okay, so angle POS, angle ROS is angle QOR. See from the figure, angle QOR means I am writing as angle QOS, this total angle minus this part only na, this one. So that's what I am writing, angle QOS minus angle ROS. By transposing same terms to one side, this minus will become plus. So angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle QOS, and if we transpose this POS to this side, it will be minus. So angle ROS plus angle ROS to angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. So angle ROS is equal to, after transposing it comes under division. So angle QOS minus angle POS. This is what we have to prove. So 8th problem, last problem in this exercise. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 and XY is produced to point P. A ray YQ bisect angle ZYP. Draw a figure from the given information. Find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Okay. So now we'll see. So here first XY is there. Alright. So we'll draw a line XY and it is produced to a point P. Okay. In the problem, XY is produced to a point P. So this is X and this is Y. It is produced to a point P. Okay. Now a ray YQ bisect angle a ray. Okay, XYZ is 64 first. So it is Z and this XYZ is 64 degrees. Now a ray YQ bisect angle ZYP. This ZYP is there now. So now YQ ray bisecting this. So that means these two parts are equal. Okay. So this is the given information. Now we want to find out XYQ. This and reflex of QYP. Okay. See now, first given angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees. Okay. Now angle XYZ and this angle and this angle is equal to 180 na? Right? The sum of two angles. Okay. So I'll write that only. Three angles. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180. So in the problem they are telling YQ bisect angle ZYP. Right? So YQ ray bisects angle ZYP. That implies angle ZYQ is equal to angle QYP. These two parts are equal. Okay. So equal means we are taking as Z. Let ZYQ is equal to angle QYP equals to X. We are taking. So now angle XYZ how much? So we'll write that statement again. Angle ZYQ plus angle QYP equals to 180 degrees. So we have angle XYZ as 64. So 64 plus ZYQ X. QYP also X is equal to 180. X plus X 2X plus 60 is 180 and 2X is equal to 180 minus 60. So how much 180 minus 60? It is 120. Okay. Then X is equal to 120 by 2, that is 60 degrees. Right? So X is equal to 60 degrees. Sorry, here it is not 60, it is 64. Right? So 180 minus 64 means 116. 116. So here also it is 116. So after cancellation we'll get 58. Okay, sorry for the mistake. So here X equals to 58. What is this X? Angle XY, angle ZYQ or angle QYP. Okay, in the problem we have angle. Okay, first we'll write angle ZYQ 58 and angle QYP also 58 degrees. Okay. So in the problem they are asking to find out angle XYQ. Okay. So angle XYQ is equal to XYQ is 64 plus this, or we can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. Right. So we have angle XYZ as 64 plus angle ZYQ here 58 degrees. So 64 plus 58 degrees. How much? After adding these two, we will get 122. Okay. So therefore, angle XYQ is 122 degrees. And in the problem, they are asking reflex of angle QYP. Oh, okay. So reflex angle of angle QYP is 360 degrees minus 58. Right. So it is 302. Okay. So they ask you to calculate angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. Calculate it.